Hey there guys, what's going on? I don't really have a name here, but I am just doing a tutorial for you guys for the Pay2Spawn. This is mainly for streamers. So when basically someone say donates over $5, so if I do /P2S donate 5, it will spawn a lucky block where you are standing. I'm just gonna move out of the way for now. But yeah, so I'm going to show you how to get to here, but first just to show you that I am doing it all from the beginning. What I'm going to do quickly, I'm just going to take this out of Adventure and just show you, see, it does work. There's a beacon. But yeah, so what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to save and quit the title. I'm going to delete this and I'm going to completely restart everything from what I did. So I'm just going to quickly ignore all that. So what you're gonna want to do first is go into the wrong folder where your wrong one. Go into the folder where your map pack is kept, and what you want to do, you want to go into new folder, instances, the map pack, and then go into mods. And you're gonna want to go to what's it called? You're gonna want to go to type into Google Pay2Spawn. You're gonna want to go here. And you're going to want to scroll down to where it says beta downloads. Now hit the link and you will download this Pay2Spawn 1.6.4 beta. And just a quick shout out to the people who made this mod. It was Dries007 and you got what's his name, Claycorp. So yeah, massive thanks to these guys. Basically everything made in this mod is possible because of them. So yeah, just give them your thanks. So you got the Pay2Spawn, you got your folder with your mods for the map pack open, and or whatever pack you're using, or whether it's just Minecraft single player. I don't know if you can do it on that, but I would have thought you could. But anyway, you drag the Pay2Spawn. Actually, first I'm just going to delete everything I have in here. So let me find it, Pay2Spawn beta, and I'll get to this bit in a minute with you guys, but just delete both of those things if you already have them. But anyway, I'm going to drag this in here and we will see now that it is in here somewhere. I don't think I did it right, did I? Move to mods, there we go, sorry. There we go, so it is now in there. Pay2Spawn is now in there. So now what you're going to want to do, shouldn't really come out of that. You're going to want to start up your map pack, so AT launcher, run, play. Don't worry about this, you can update it if you want to. I just have a server that I play on my friends, so I'm just going to click no, but you guys will probably click yes. And this hopefully shouldn't take too long to start up, but because I mean my computer is relatively decent. But so yeah, it's going to wait for this to load up and then we will get on it from there. But yeah, this is it took me a while to figure this out. I've spent at least a couple of hours going through stuff trying to figure it out, and then Claycorp I was talking to him on the forums and he managed to help me, and I told him I would make him a tutorial. So yeah, I'm just going to come out of that quickly. Here we go, should be nearly done. But once this is up, if it would like to load, I'm going to grab a drink. Sorry about to bash my thing on the mic. There we go, so it's loaded and it says 155. Normally it would probably say 156 if you're on the most recently updated. But I'm just going to come into here and show you guys if I can find it. It should be nearby. Pay2Spawn is in there. So here we go. It's now what you can do. You don't have to. I'm not going to come out of it. I might have to in a minute. I can't remember. But what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to. I'm just going to come out of that first. You're going to go into here. You're going to go into instances, the map pack, config folder, and scroll down, and near the bottom it will say Pay2Spawn. Now what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to use your preferred text editor. On my laptop I use Adobe Edge Code because I'm sort of into that sort of stuff, but on this I don't, so I'm just going to edit it. You're going to want to go into the config, right click, edit with Notepad++, and you're just going to want to make sure you're at the top, and you'll see here it says API key and channel. you're gonna want to go to in order to do this, you're gonna have to have made a stream donations account. You can probably look somewhere else to do that. I'm not going to show you here, but basically it just sort of enables it. It gives you a sort of key that will allow you to use all these things on Twitch, which a lot of streamers use. But I'm just going to sort of log in. My thing's already connected, but for some reason every time I have to click here, and you will see once this is loaded, it says here channel Steamy Panda. Now I normally have a capital here and a capital here, but in here it doesn't. You're going to want to make sure you copy this exactly, okay, and put it in there. No capitals or anything, otherwise it won't work. And it also has an API key, but I'm not going to show you that because that's a personal thing, and I can't bother to reset everything I have on there. But what you would do, you copy and paste the API key from here and just put it just there with no spaces in between. But yeah, so once you've done that, you're going to want to save it. And now you're going to come back onto your Minecraft, click on single player, create a world, more world options, allow cheats on. It's going to create the new world. And this is where we get started on the actual creation of the lucky block. So what you're going to want to have to do is once actually I'll just show you guys. Oh, that's not great. It just crashed. Give it a second, I'll try it again. But you're going to want to find out the actual ID of the lucky block that you're using. So sorry, on here on the map pack the ID is 850, but on another pack I mean I don't know whether it matters, like whether it changes, but you know, just sort of find out if I were you, because you're going to need the block ID. So this is just gonna load up again. Sorry about this. It's taking forever. Come on. Okay, and we're here. So go on to single player. Go on to that world that I just created. Hopefully it'll work this time. Here we go. Here we go. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. It's taking forever, come on. Goodbye. Goodbye. Here we go. So now that you're on, you'll notice in the top right and left corner, you'll have these two things here. I'm just going to hit next, next, finish. And then it will load me in. So what I'm just going to do, I'm going to multiplayer settings, have the chat scaled up a bit. So now what you're going to want to do /P2S configure, and you can use the press tab to sort of finish it off or something, and it has a load of other commands that you can use, but I'm just going to do this. But if you want to find out what other commands they have, what you're going to want to do, go to Pay2Spawn wiki, and and it will just give you everything here, and here are the commands that you use. But Pay2Spawn configure, hit enter. Now nothing will happen on your screen, but that's fine. But if you notice, I have two things open by my Minecraft now. One of them is called the configurator. What you're going to want to do is go into here, okay, now click add/edit, just give it any name you want. I'm going to call it lucky block. Amount, now this is the minimum amount that needs to be donated, so for me I'm just going to make it $5. Don't put anything next to it, just 5. And if you wanted to, here you can put a name. So I'm just going to put a name like, and A to make it green, and then in square brackets $, name. Now what that does, you'll see in a minute, but it sort of makes it so that it's their name that appears on the screen. Has just spawned in lucky block, exclamation mark, small brackets, thanks, and then that. I'm just going to close these off as well. I don't think the brackets matter, it's just something that I do. I was going to put in 0 for no countdown, but you could probably have a countdown from 5. Now once you're here, you're going to want to type in sand on the not enough items, or just find the sand block and get 1 sand. Now just find a tree like this. Now go into the configurator, double click on custom entity, and what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to, this is important by the way, I'm actually just going to turn on my Minecraft music quick and sound. Oh, that's my phone going off. I apologize if you heard that, you probably did. What you're going to want to do, you're going to want to click here where it says import the next mob into your game. Basically, well, that's pretty much what it says. So you're going to click that, and very quickly you just want to double click the right click button on a tree, so because it picks up this sand as an entity. Right now it is a block, but otherwise it would be seen as an entity when it's falling, and that is what you want. So it's going to come in here, and you see all this information is in here now. Now what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to find it where it says tile ID. Now where it says int 12 here, a lucky block here is 850, and you have to make sure this is tile ID, no other form of ID anyway, it has to be tile ID. So let me just change this to 850. Now also down here it's going to make it spawn, so the spawn radius is within 1 block of where I'm standing, and I'm also going to want to do that up here, so it's 1 block. Now what you're going to have to do is hit pass from Jason even, update from Jason, it's my home phone, and hit test, and you'll see lucky block spawned. There you go, that's pretty much it. So if I do /P2S donate 5 crap, I think oh no, I forgot to save it, whoops. So yeah, I need to save it first. Damn it, how do I'm just gonna get out of here. Damn it, these chickens want me dead. It's gonna run. Oh my god, Minecraft music is so annoying. Just gonna run away for a second. Just gonna heal myself as well. So yeah, I've got to do this. I just need to hit save as a new group, and then whenever I do it, donate 5, a lucky block spawns wherever I'm standing, and that's it. So if this enjoyed and helped, please leave a like. Massive thanks to Claycorp and Dries007 I think, for making this. This is stupidly good for streamers, and yeah, thanks for watching, and see you guys next time. Goodbye.